Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So we are now proceeding to the part 2 of our sale order processing initial setup that requires the setting up of the structures, the tables, etc. So let's start this lesson number 128 for sale order processing initial setup part 2. Okay. So previously we showed in the part 1 that the initial setup, the incorporation of the new sheets and authorization metrics, etc. Right. So we can do the revision of that as well, because when you log in as an admin, you see that authorization matrix is updated as soon as you add some new sheet automatically. It is done automatically. Let me try it again to claim my, to verify my own claim, right? So let's delete it. Okay. Okay. So validate was the last sheet. Okay. Now what I do is I run this authorization matrix, and okay, it is saying that the object does not support this property. So what is that? Let me check. Okay, so it is saying that for each entity, okay, this is the button, which is okay. So let's do it. Let's stop it. And the thing is that we should uh, save the file and run it again. Okay, so let's close it. File, close, right? Alt F11, Alt F4 rather, to go out of the Excel. Now let's try again. This is sometime it happens, you know, we have to bear with this. This is unusual for a developer's life. It is usual. When you get stuck something, you go 1-2 steps back and come back again. Okay, until you find it that what is there. Okay, so this is your uh, uh, sheet which has got the SO detail, and so it is back again. Okay, good. So, and it is not available because there is one. There has to be allowed. You have to allow it so that it appears. Right? So this is fine. Okay. So this is how. But you still have the issue that it is unavailable. So you have to close it, save it, press Alt F4 to go out of the Excel, and come back again. And this putting one in the said is you are allowing the user to go into that object of the system, that is SO and SO detail. Okay. Now this time when you open, it is unhide this. You see SO and these are now available. Why? Because you have the admin has allowed this user with the one in here. If there will be no one, it means there will be no way for the user to go into that sheet. This was the first thing. Now one thing is very important. That is the validate sheet. If we go and see the validate sheet, I'm sorry, did I pressed the wrong key. Let's delete it. Okay. You have to press Alt F11. Right. So here you are going to go to the auto open procedure to unhide the validate sheet, right? That is, yeah. To unhide the validate sheet, we click here so that we run it so that it is unhidden now. And here, these are the sheets which are normally, these two entries are not available. So when you insert a new sheet, these two entries are normally not available. You have to make it available. So how to make that available? You are going to Alt F11, and you will first of all stop it so that you know. And in the view code of it, in the view code, you have to use equal to sign in here. If one is equal, one is of course equal to one. So it means never execute when it was not equal to. It means that never execute this code which is in this if and if part of this until the end of here. This is never going to be happen. So when you want this to be executed temporarily, you are going to make it equal to, okay? Now you go out of it and it will execute, right? So this will come to stop in point, and you will see the two sheets which have recently been added. Now they are part of the verifying table, and these two sheets are indexed, and their columns are reported in here. Okay, so and why is this yellow? Why it is on stop? It is just to remind you that the developer has to make one is not equal to one. Okay, so this one is not equal to one. You have to do it again. That's why it has a stop here, so that you do it your own self. But this is just my way of doing it. There may be some more efficient way of doing it anyway. So each time when you want this validate sheet to be updated with the new sheet, this is the procedure. You can make your own procedure to do it anyway. So this is one of the way which I can show you is this, right? So let's stop it. Now we execute Alt F11, and we execute the auto open procedure. We can go from here as well. This one, this is the auto open procedure, and we run it so that you come back again, and you now have done the initial setup completely. Okay. One more thing is that now you are supposed to do some purchase, not the sale order entry procedure. So let's let's extend it so that we make a copy of this. We paste it. Okay. And do close it. Sorry. We copy it and we paste it right. So you can directly paste it like this, okay? And here, what we do is align it so that it is good looking, okay, and make a bit of it right. So, okay, then change the text, edit the text, edit the text. Okay, you can edit the text by means of this, and you can say sale order entry. It is sale order entry. Sales order entry. Okay, and you make it center justified. There you go. Okay, that's it. This is how you just do it. And then the next thing is we uh, we create a new form, right? We go to view code. There are so many forms we have made. Let's add a new form, which will allow us to add uh, the sale order. Okay. So insert a user form, and in this form we will have two portions. One is header portion, in which the customer for which the order is being created, who is creating it, and the top level information here. And in the second part, the bottom part, we will use some other things like the line items in which the products which are being ordered, what rates, what are the pricing to be done, and the quantity of the product which is being ordered, and this and that. Okay, so this is and then we will decide that what would be the proper name of this, whether the same form may be used for other purposes like data entry or for sale order, or data entry or purchase order as well. So we will keep that thing in mind, and we will design it, okay, in our next session. So I look forward to your joining us in our forthcoming videos. Thank you very much.